Stop scrolling. Because what you're about to hear is not another headset upgrade. This is Apple redefining reality. Again, Apple Vision Pro 2 is not about screens, not about VR, not even about AR, and it's about replacing the way we use technology. And today I'll tell you why Vision Pro 2 might be the most powerful Apple product ever created. Apple Vision Pro 2 is the next evolution of spatial computing, where digital content doesn't live on a screen, it lives around you. With massive upgrades in performance, comfort, display, AI, and real-world interaction, Vision Pro 2 pushes Apple's future vision closer than ever. So let's break it down. Features, upgrades, and why this device is years ahead of everything else. Let's talk comfort, and because yes, Apple listened. Vision Pro 2 is lighter than the first version, uses new carbon fiber plus aluminum frame, better weight distribution, improved head straps for long sessions. You can now wear it for hours, not minutes. Apple also refined the EyeSight external display, making it brighter and more natural so people can actually see your eyes clearly. This doesn't feel like a headset anymore. It feels like wearable technology from the future. Apple Vision Pro 2 features next-gen micro OLED displays. We're talking even higher resolution per eye, improved brightness, deeper blacks, better color accuracy. Text looks printed, not digital. Movies feel cinematic, and virtual objects feel physically real. This is the sharpest display ever put on your face. Period. This is where things get crazy. Vision Pro 2 is powered by Apple M5 chip, R1 Gen 2 processor for real-time sensor processing. What does that mean? Zero lag, the instant response, real-time environment tracking. Your eyes move, your hands move. The system reacts before you even think about it. This is Apple Silicon at its absolute peak. No controllers, no gloves, no learning curve. You control Vision Pro 2 using your eyes, your hands, your voice. Look at something, select it. Pinch your fingers, interact. Speak naturally, it responds. It feels instinctive, like your brain is directly connected to the device. This is human-computer interaction done right. Vision Pro 2 blends digital content with the real world perfectly. Virtual screens float in your room. Apps stick to real surfaces. Lighting matches your environment. You can work with multiple giant displays, or watch movies on a virtual cinema screen. Place 3D objects in your space. Reality isn't replaced, it's enhanced. Vision Pro 2 is deeply integrated with Apple Intelligence. This means our smarter app suggestions, real-time object recognition, context-aware actions, voice commands that actually understand you. Imagine, looking at a document, Vision Pro summarizes it. Looking at an object, it explains it. Talking naturally, it responds like a real assistant. This is AI that feels private, fast, and useful.
Gaming on Vision Pro 2 is next level. Full 3D environments, console-level graphics, spatial audio that surrounds you. Watching movies feels like a private IMAX theater. Sound coming from every direction. A screen bigger than any TV you've ever owned. Entertainment doesn't get better than this. Battery life has been improved. More efficient power usage. Optimized background processing. You still get external battery pack, fast charging, a wireless connectivity. And yes, it works seamlessly with iPhone, Mac, iPad, AirPods. The Apple ecosystem is fully alive here. Vision Pro 2 is perfect for creators, designers, developers, filmmakers, professionals, tech lovers. It's not just a gadget, it's a workstation. Cinema and creative studio combined. Apple Vision Pro 2 is not meant to replace your phone. It's meant to replace the way you experience technology. This device doesn't ask for attention. It becomes part of your world. Vision Pro 2 is lighter, better balanced, and easier to wear for long hours. Benefit: you can actually work, watch, and create longer without fatigue. Vision Pro 1 felt heavy after some time. Vision Pro 2 feels natural on your head. With the M5 chip and R1 Gen 2, everything feels instant. Benefit: no lag, no delay, no motion sickness. Apps open instantly, hand tracking is smoother, and multitasking feels effortless. The upgraded micro OLED panels deliver sharper text, brighter visuals, more realistic colors. Benefit: your eyes feel less strain, and digital content looks almost real. Tracking is more accurate and faster. Benefit: you don't think about controls, you just use your hands and eyes naturally. This makes Vision Pro 2 easier for beginners too. Vision Pro 2 understands context better. Benefit: It helps you work smarter, summarizing, organizing, and responding naturally. This is AI that actually saves time. Movies, sports, and games feel more immersive. Benefit: you get a personal Cinema Plus gaming arena wherever you are. Design and weight: Vision Pro 1, heavy, front-loaded. Vision Pro 2, lighter, better balance. Winner, Vision Pro 2, performance. Vision Pro 1 M2 Plus R1. Vision Pro 2 M5 Plus R1 Gen 2. Vision Pro 2 is significantly faster and future-proof. Display quality: Vision Pro 1, excellent but first gen. Vision Pro 2, brighter, sharper, more refined. Vision Pro 2 delivers a cleaner visual experience. Hand and eye tracking: Vision Pro 1, good but sometimes slow. Vision Pro 2, more accurate and responsive. Vision Pro 2 feels effortless to control. Comfort for long use: Vision Pro 1, short sessions recommended. Vision Pro 2, designed for long usage. Vision Pro 2 is better for work and productivity. Battery optimization: Vision Pro 1, decent but power hungry. Vision Pro 2, more efficient processing. Vision Pro 2 gives better real-world usage time. You should choose Vision Pro 2 if you want long sessions, you care about comfort, you want faster performance, you want future-ready tech. Vision Pro 1 was a bold start. Vision Pro 2 is the finished vision. Apple Vision Pro 2 is what Vision Pro was always meant to be: more comfortable, more powerful, more intelligent. If Vision Pro 1 showed the future, Vision Pro 2 makes it usable today. Now let's talk about the question everyone is asking: when is Apple Vision Pro 2 coming out? According to strong industry reports and Apple's usual launch cycle, Apple Vision Pro 2 is expected to be announced in mid to late 2026. Most likely, reveal at WWDC 2026. Developer previews immediately after, public release a few months later. Apple is clearly taking its time, because Vision Pro 2 is not about rushing hardware. It's about perfecting spatial computing, and knowing Apple, they will only launch it when it feels ready to change the world again. Now let's be honest, this is not a cheap device. The original Vision Pro launched at $3,499. So for Vision Pro 2, expectations are starting price around $3,499 to $39,999. Higher storage and professional models may go even higher. Why the premium price? Because this is a Mac-level computer, a cinema-level display, a next-gen AR/VR system, and Apple's most advanced wearable ever. You're not buying a headset. You're buying Apple's vision of the future. Yes, the price is high, but Vision Pro 2 is designed for people who create, build, design, and live inside technology. For them, this isn't expensive. It's an investment. Apple Vision Pro 2 won't be for everyone, but for those who get it, nothing else will come close. This video helped you understand Apple Vision Pro 2 better. Go ahead and hit the like button. It really supports the channel. And if you love future tech, Apple leaks, and next-gen gadgets, subscribe right now so you don't miss what's coming next. New videos are coming very soon. And trust me, you'll want to be here before everyone else. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.